What is BA documentation? An overview of why documentation is the backbone of a business analyst's role. We cover how documents bridge the gap between business stakeholders and the technical team, ensuring everyone is aligned on project goals and deliverables. BRD explained, Business Requirement Document. A deep dive into the high-level document that answers the why and what of a project. Learn how the BRD captures the business needs, core objectives, and stakeholder expectations without getting bogged down in the technical details. FRD explained, Functional Requirement Document. Moving from the what to the how. This section breaks down the FRD, often combined with an SRS, which details exactly how the system or software must behave, including system inputs, outputs, processes, and user interactions. User stories and acceptance criteria. For agile environments, we explore how requirements are written from the end user's perspective using the standard format, as a I want to, so that. We also cover how acceptance criteria define the boundaries of a user story and establish when a feature is officially done. Use cases and process flows. A visual guide on how to map out user interactions and system steps. We look at use cases to outline the specific steps a user takes to achieve a goal, alongside process flows or swimlane diagrams that visually trace the path of data and actions through a system. RTM explained, Requirements Traceability Matrix. Discover the ultimate tool for project accountability. We explain how the RTM links requirements from their origin in the BRD, through design and development, all the way to testing, ensuring that no requirement is forgotten or missed during execution. UAT documentation, user acceptance testing. The final hurdle before software goes live. This section covers how BUS prepare for UAT, including drafting test scenarios, test cases, and UAT sign-off sheets to ensure the end users validate that the system works exactly as requested. Documentation best practices. Practical tips and tricks to make your documentation clear, concise, and professional. We discuss version control, avoiding ambiguity, keeping documents updated, and tailoring your writing style to your specific audience, business versus tech. Summary. A quick wrap-up of how all these documents interconnect throughout the project management life cycle, SDLC. We review the key takeaways to help you confidently manage project requirements from inception to delivery.